Hello everybody, I'm back with another Knex Carnival Ride video, and tonight I want to show you guys how to set up my Knex Plane model. I've done videos on this particular model before, but I wanted to do one again since I've made some improvements. So I'm going to show you how it sets up and everything. This particular model is based off the old style where it takes a full trailer. The newer models rack onto what they call a pup trailer, where all the spokes fold around to one side and the cages flip up on top. But this one is based off of an older style, so I just thought it looked better this way. So I'm gonna get started to show you how it sets up and everything. Right now the ride is on its side, so I'm gonna turn it around to where the ride's facing the front and get started. Okay, this is the front of the ride, and the first thing I have to do, I'm going to go here to the side, and I'm going to disconnect the cages that go around the wheel. So to do that, I just disconnect some gray connectors on each side, and the cages just slip off like that. And I'm going to put my gray connectors back into place. Like that. Okay, same thing over here on this side. Disconnect my gray connectors. Slide the cages off like that, and replace my gray connectors because I don't want them to get lost. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to bring the camera around here and show you. I have to disconnect, if you can see right here, I have to disconnect a support arm here and here. Same thing on the other side. Disconnect a stabilizer here, which is just a ladder connector. And once I do that, I'll bring the camera back around here, and up underneath here I'm going to disconnect a I know you can't see it, but it's a black rod that's going to allow the wheel to raise up like this. Okay, if you notice right here, there's a stabilizer, and it just connects right here to this black rod on the back, and then it's going to connect to a gray connector right here. Just to help it stabilize. Okay, I'm gonna bring the camera back out to the front. Sorry about that. Bring the camera back out to the front, and if you notice right here, I have a stabilizer, which wouldn't be on a real plane, but I had to do that to keep it from falling over forward. Okay, the next thing to do is to unfold the spokes, or the sweeps as some people like to call them. So I just disconnect these little blue flex rods, and I just go around and connect them to these black ladder connectors. If you can See what I'm doing here? Okay. Bring one up this way. Like that. And then another one right here. I'm gonna do that all the way around until we have a wheel. Like that. Okay, and now I'm gonna slide everything back to keep the cages from hitting the supports down here at the bottom. Okay, next thing to do is to, if you notice right here in the back, there is some stabilizer bars that I have to disconnect. There's a set on the top and a set on the bottom. Just have to disconnect those. And I'll show you where they go. I just take these out and then slide these back in like that. Same thing with this one. Disconnect here and here. And then slide this back in here, like that. And then all of these are gonna come off. Like that. I'm gonna put them on the floor for now. The camera's not wanting to cooperate, I'm sorry guys. Okay. Same thing with this one. Gonna disconnect all of these. I'm gonna put them on the floor down there with the rest of them for now. And then I'm going to connect these back to their spot. Okay. All right. Next thing to do is to add the stabilizers for the wheel. And I'll show you how to do that. So we're gonna go yellow to white right here. White to yellow here. It's going to kind of create a star. Like that. White to yellow. And sometimes you have to bend those down like that, and all the way around. Just gonna do this all the way around. Like this. Like the yellow. Okay, and now yellow to white. Yellow to white. White to yellow. yellow to white, white to yellow, yellow to white. Gonna bring that down and form a star. White to yellow, and one more, yellow to white. Okay. That's what we have so far. Okay. Now it's time to attach the cages. And to do that, if you notice here, I've got red connectors holding the cages together. So I'm just going to take those off one by one. Just like that. Got 4 on that side. Okay. Same thing over here. On this side. Disconnect red connector. Red connector. Red connector. And to keep those from getting lost, what I do is just put them on these little blue rods. There will be 3 on each side. Okay, same thing over here. Disconnect here, put a red connector there, put my gray connector back, red connector here, gray connector back, red connector here, and gray connector back. All right, now it's time to add the cages. Which is fairly simple. All I do is take off a 10 lock rod. Gonna slide the cage on here. Slide one on here. Gonna do this all the way around. Okay, 4 more to go. We got 2 more. And then we'll have a fully set up Plane model. All right, that's it for the fully set up Plane model. I'm going to give it some rotations to show you how it looks when it's in operation. Okay, try to give you a little bit better angle. Give it some more rotations. Okay, one more angle. Give it some more rotation. The cages will flip if I go a little bit faster. As you can see, they're starting to flip. But a real rocket plane goes about this fast. And that's it for a fully set up rocket plane. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I've done videos on this model in the past, and just wanted to show you guys some improvements I've made to it. I improved the cages and added a pulley system to make it crank and operate with a rubber band. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I've got some more models in the works, so stay tuned for those. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I'd really appreciate it. I love interacting with you guys and helping you if you would like to build one of these models. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, just leave me a comment and I'll help as much as I can. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care and thanks for watching.